All right, here we can see stainless works, long tube headers are installed. 2018 manifold installed. And then there's the other header there. So we're still waiting for the tune to load here. We might get rained out. We got a thunderstorm here, but we're gonna get this thing started as quickly as possible. All right, Ramsey, here we go, man. Think you got it?
We'll see.
All right. Here we go, dude. That's crazy! That's nuts!
We've got some awesome stuff we're doing today. We are here in Richmond. We've got Dave's car here behind me. We're going to be doing some great stuff today. Today's dyno day. It's 101 degrees today.
Wait till we go.
Hashtag go to jail mode.
All right, guys, we're loaded up. We got all the boys together. We're gonna head to Flim Flam. We're gonna get that baby tuned. I'm gonna say your car is a factory freak. I'm gonna go with 455. 455. I like my factory freak. 455 is what we're going with. By the way, check out Flim Flam Speed. Kevin's awesome. This shop's awesome. As you can see behind me, there's a lot of Mustangs, a lot of cool cars here. Come check it out. Richmond, Virginia. Yeah, you're center. Come forward. Good, right there.
Hear that?
All right, guys. So when this car was on the dyno at Flim Flam, Kevin was kind enough to let us know that these guys, the O2 sensors, there was a little problem with them. They cut out in and out, mostly when the car is cold. He said they would turn off, you rev it a little bit, and they turn on. So Jose is being an awesome bearded bro, and he is taking them out. And we are going to replace them with Motorcraft OEM O2 sensors. We're gonna hope this fixes some issues. Ramsey had some knock on the dyno. If you've seen the dyno already, yeah, Andy blew up a water pump.
I'll show you that here in a second.
Yeah. So we're gonna get these installed, or Jose's gonna get these installed, because he's a BAMF, and yeah. Good boy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, so Jose just got these O2 sensors in.
And I just torqued them.
Remember to torque these to one Jose. See, the right
There you go.
Woo! What was that?
Until you slip.
You almost bag tagged me there. But the right tools for the right job, that makes it so much easier.
Just measure. Look at it.
Yeah, fun fact, Ford adds anti-seize to these from the factory. Thanks, Ford. Oh, that's what's all over my pants.
Yeah, that stuff just spreads. It never went through. I wonder how sensitive those knock sensors are. Because this guy was pretty loose over here.
Plastic on metal. Maybe though.
I don't know, man.
Now the bolt. What did Ramsey say? Passenger side is the bolt? Or
Yeah.
So it's one of these.
It's up there.
Let me get his flashlight.
Dude, how do you even do this side? You can't even see. You have to take the starter out. You have to, and then jack the engine up. Yeah.
Here at Dyno Bros Performance, we like to keep stuff as OEM as possible.
Unless it's Ford.
BBP.
What?
Dyno Brothers Performance. You don't like it? You can work on the thing.
Yeah.
Totally
No, I love it.
What's up, performance? Here at BBP, we like to try keeping
Would
OEM.
it be a bad practice to go above the transmission mount? With that
It's not going to get much longer.
All right, so now we're all tidied up. If I come in here,
Jose modified the stock Christmas tree clip up there to accept O2 sensor.
he modified the modification.
Yep. Side note, look at the welds on these things. It looks so good.
I did those.
Yeah.
National speed.
Yeah. Hit them up.
They're pretty. Let's hold Andrew was bringing up a possible issue is everything with your exhaust looks pretty good, but there's no issues that we can tell back here. The only issue, go ahead, Andrew.
You see how crooked that is?
Here, now look at this guy.
Well, look at this.
That guy
Look,
looks-
If I grab this guy, no movement. You see that?
Yep.
And this side, if I grab this, it moves a lot.
Do that again. I didn't get the picture. Yeah.
We're gonna tighten it up right now.
Yeah.
All right.
First start up with the new sensors. See what happens. Hopefully it doesn't dip on the island.
Dude, the tinging's gone. What? Dude, what? That sounds normal now.
The idle's back to normal.
Brought to you by Coca-Cola. Original taste.
Oh. Oh. You know how many panties just dropped?
What?
How'd you know? That sounds healthier up here too. Have you seen O2 sensors causing idle issues like that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Well, idle issues, for sure. Like that, I haven't
No.
seen a lot of O2 sensors fail that cause.
Okay.
On my car, I had one that was stuck reading rich. So the
Okay.
second it went into closed loop mode, it was seeing like excessive fuel in the exhaust, so it leaned it out. And really, I was fine.
That's
It would
dangerous.
lean me out, and I mean, I'd just not be able to go anywhere. You know, I'd have to fight it. I'd have to fight to try and keep it running until it get out of closed loop
Okay.
mode, back into open, and be fine.
We're good.
Do it again.
All right, guys, so just to kind of give you a heads up what was happening after we went to go to Flim Flam and look at the dyno sheet and everything like that, we were getting a lot of false knock. So it was causing about 5-6 degrees worth of timing consistently at about 5,000 RPMs. And we were also seeing, Kevin showed us, that on cold starts especially, the O2 sensors were not working at all. So we went ahead and replaced those. We got it all fixed. Idle is solid. We're going back probably this weekend or something like that just to double check, get a tune revision, make sure everything's dialed in, make sure that cold start is exactly where we want it to be, and make sure everything's kind of dialed in perfectly. So just to give you an idea, if you are having any of these issues, please just contact your tuner, see if he can give you any advice at all. We are not full-blown mechanics. Jose, he did an awesome job getting these O2 sensors installed and everything like that, kind of diagnosing the car, seeing if there was anything possible. Definitely appreciate Andrew, Dane, and Jose for knocking that all out. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions at all, please just drop a comment down below. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you soon. Thanks again.